Dear students, myself Raghuvansar extends the events of the French Revolution in this video. Let's begin the subtopic, the Reign of Terror in France between 1793-94 AD. The Reign of Terror was perhaps the most terrible and the darkest period of the Revolution. Terrible atrocities were committed during this period, that is, from 1793 to 1794. In fact, the condition of France was desperate about this time. Hence, strong remedies were quite necessary for national salvation. There were grave dangers both from within and outside as well. There was also a grave danger from the coalition of European powers who were threatening to invade France from all directions. A divided France could not face the united European powers successfully. So, the Jacobins were determined to take the most drastic measures to save the Republic. They were determined to rule by terror, that is, by frightening their opponents into submission. Thus, Robespierre, the leader of the Jacobins, followed a policy of severe control and punishment. So, a committee of public safety was organized to deal with the enemies of the state. The committee had 12 members with almost unlimited powers. Reign of Terror was now let loose in France. All those who seemed to be enemies of the Republic, such as ex-nobles and clergy, members of other political parties, and even the Jacobins who did not agree with the methods of Robespierre, were arrested, imprisoned, and then tried by a revolutionary tribunal. If found guilty, they were taken to the guillotine for execution. Students, here I tell you that guillotine was a device invented by Dr. Guillotine and thus named after him. It had two poles and a blade with which a person was beheaded. Thus, about 5,000 persons were butchered in Paris alone and about 15,000 perished in the provinces. The reign of terror became intolerable. Consequently, the Paris mob turned against cruel Robespierre and his followers. They were also put to death in 1794 AD. Thus, with their execution, the reign of terror ended in France and the people heaved a sigh of relief. Still, during the reign of terror, Robespierre's government accomplished a number of achievements such as number 1, laws were issued placing a maximum ceiling on wages and prices. Number 2, meat and bread were placed under rationing. Number 3, laws were enforced to make the peasants transport their grain to the cities and sell it at fixed prices. Number 4, restrictions were put on the use of more expensive white flour. All citizens had to eat the equality bread. It was a loaf made of whole wheat. Number 5, traditional monsieur or sir and madam were put away and all French men and women were henceforth addressed as citizens. And number 6, churches were closed and their buildings were used as barracks and offices. Now, students, that's all for today. We will see you in the next part of this chapter with the directory rules in France. Thanks.